Hello people, welcome again to this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can crop the picture for editing in the background with iPhone. You only need two applications on your phone right now. You only need the photo library and the Instagram application. First of all, make sure that you already upgrade your iOS system by open the settings and upgrade the system of the iOS. Right after you upgrade it, you just need to open your photo. Now you just need to pick the picture that you want to crop right here. With this tips, you can duplicate this object, become like 4 or 5 pieces or 5 atoms into the same background. How to do that? You just need to tap into this object and hold it, tap and hold, and then the glass shining will be like covering the object, and then you just need to type into the copy. Now we just need to go back into your home screen, open your Instagram application, open your Instagram story. So this is the Instagram story camera. Now we just need to go randomly cap the picture. Right after you're done capturing the picture, tap into the three small dots and then click draw. Now you just need to go pick the color that you want to use for the new background right here. I will like to use the pink one. Right after you click the pink, now you just need to go tap and hold the screen, and all of the screen will be changed into the pink color. Now click done, click this alphabet, tap into the cursors, and then click paste. Now we already got this object, so you can just customizing where you want to put the objects. Oh my bad, it's got deleted. Adjusting the positions. And if you want to copy for several pieces, so you just need to do the same way and replace the object into the specific area that you want to have here. I'll let you go with 3 pieces for today. And right after you're done adjusting everything right here, you just need to tap again into the 3 small dot and save the picture. Now you need to go back into your photo library, and you got the new picture with those items. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.